Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to synchronize Tradelics with NinjaTrader 8. Before we begin, make sure you have a Tradelics workspace open. In this example, I'm using a new, empty workspace. The first step is to create a trading account. Open the Accounts window and click Add Account. You can give the account any name you'd like. I'll simply call mine Ninja. Next, choose whether this is a real or simulated trading account. Then enter the initial account balance. This should match the balance of your NinjaTrader account. If you'd like, you can also assign a color to make the account easier to recognize. You'll also see the option to apply trading fees automatically. If your broker already provides commission and fee information, as NinjaTrader does, simply leave this option disabled. Otherwise, you can enter your own fees here. Now select NinjaTrader 8 as the broker. If NinjaTrader is installed in its default location, Tradelics will automatically detect your trading database and list all available NinjaTrader accounts. If no accounts appear, it's likely that NinjaTrader is installed in a custom location. In that case, simply browse to your NinjaTrader SQLite database and select it manually. Next, choose the NinjaTrader account you want to synchronize. Since this is a newly created Tradelics account, the synchronization starts far enough in the past to ensure that all existing trades are imported. If necessary, you can adjust the synchronization start date manually. You can also enable AutoSync. With AutoSync enabled, Tradelics regularly checks your NinjaTrader database and automatically imports any new trades. Simply choose how often you want the synchronization to run. I'll leave the interval at 30 minutes. Click OK to finish the setup. Your account has now been created. The green icon indicates that AutoSync is enabled and running. Of course, you can also synchronize manually at any time by clicking the Sync button. Let's do that now. Within a few seconds, Tradelics imports all available trades and displays a synchronization summary. In this example, 30 trades were imported successfully. As you can see, all trades are now available inside Tradelics and ready for you to review, analyze, or enrich with additional journal information. That's all there is to it. As you've seen, connecting Tradelics with NinjaTrader 8 is quick and easy. Once the synchronization is set up, Tradelics helps you automatically keep your trading journal up to date, document every trade consistently, and collect the data you need to continuously improve your trading performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.